The initiative to have the EU net zero by 2050 is hugely relevant to the HVAC building services industry, as a great majority of the energy that is produced is used in buildings to heat and cool. New projects involving retrofitted systems and plant optimization are set to see a 50% increase to meet the 2050 targets.
Optimizing existing plant portfolios, replacing old, outdated fossil fuel technologies with new efficient heat pump models and improving control systems is paramount to achieving that 2050 target. Local politicians, talks I've been to have repeatedly told the industry that they need us to play a pivotal role in designing these systems and retrofitting existing systems for the targets to be met.